Hey! Now today is the day that we might just finish the rebuild, and the piece de resistance is back from Tom's. Let's hope the tank's a belter, eh? Boys, I have a tank.
Oh,
hey,
look at that.
Come on!
Top pick.
Now then, this has been a long time in the making, I have to say, hasn't it? Right? Has he been showing you photos of his little holiday?
He has.
Has he?
Quite impressive for it. Auto jump.
Glad you thought they were. Come on then, peel.
Finish is good.
I hope this is mint. Go on, Sammy.
We're in. Oh, nice.
Is it?
Yeah,
First
lovely.
impressions?
That's good. Really
Removal of foam?
Look at that. Chrome's good.
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, that's great.
It's a lot better than it was, isn't it? When it
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, my God. That's a slight understatement, Millie.
It's brilliant. I mean, it
lovely,
had
yeah.
dents in it and they're very gone, aren't they?
Mate, that is a revelation. Should we see if it fits?
Yes?
Yeah, now don't argue who's doing what. All right.
You carry, I'll guide.
That's the weight.
Okay, let's see.
Should just slide on these rubbish.
Okay, guide.
Right, I'm going to put my hand there.
You guide, I'll
Do you
watch.
think that's the spot to put your hand?
It is, definitely. I should just slide on those rubbish, shouldn't it? There we go.
Yeah?
So far, so good.
Quite a lot further forwards.
Clear in the back. It's a tight fit, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it hasn't got to go much further forwards.
We're nearly there.
Do you reckon? I think that could be it.
That's it.
Is it?
We'll soon find out when we try the
Yeah.
seat. If the seat slots in nicely and it looks right, then
Okay.
it's correct.
Look, just step away from the vehicle. All right,
Okay.
step away from the vehicle. Tom and the Chromers have come up trumps. Our slot might look more like the Three Stooges than the Three Musketeers. But what a transformation. Next, I swap sheds to polish up the breather tube, the tiny pipe which keeps the petrol tank vented, while Sam and Alan fit the seat. It's just all the little things, the attention to detail that make a resto complete, isn't it, eh? But she's looking fantastic. 4 months, and we're nearly at the end, nearly ready to ride her. Come on then, I'm getting all excited. Alan's final challenge for the day is the fiddliest of all, fitting the Gold Star's badges. These have got to be just the right
Length to make it start.
Okay, here we go. First time round, it's a struggle to get them in, and it ends up sitting proud of the tank.
There we go. That's it.
Is that it?
We're about half a millimetre out.
Well, like always, it's just the little things that slow you up, but it's the little things that make the restoration lovely.
The right way up?
Sam takes the bracket away, grinds a couple of mil off each side, and then Alan tries again. Perfect.
That better?
Yeah, that's it.
Got to spin this quick to catch the thread. There we go.
Nice.
Sam pops on the petrol cap, and then in rapid succession, he and Alan lay on the vinyl stickers and give it a final wipe down. Boys, just hang on. All right, I think we're there, aren't we?
I haven't stood back yet.
We're there. Now look, right, shall we just stand back? Alan, stand back. What do you reckon?
Amazing.
I mean,
Totally
that
amazing.
is what they call in the trade transformation.
It's a little bit cleaner than it was.
Now look, should we get outside for a big reveal?
Yeah.
Hey, why not? Oh man, it's beautiful.